Learning English speaking.
The grandmother tells 3 different stories to a group of children. I hope you enjoy it. It is useful for learning vocabulary, names, and places in English. Listen carefully and repronounce the names and vocabulary in order to develop your conversation in English. Story title: Adventure in the Planet of Colors. There once was on a distant world, a special planet where colors lived. Every color on this planet had a unique personality. There was lively red, calm blue, happy yellow, and calm green. These colors lived happily together and loved sharing their adventures. But one day the colors slowly started to disappear and become dull. No one knew what was happening. They had one idea, which was to go on an adventure to discover the cause and find a solution. Their adventure led them to the magical forest where they discovered the existence of a special tree called the Tree of Colors. The tree said to the colors, "You must find the 3 special ingredients to bring back the colors to your planet: blue sky water, bright sunlight, love, and friendship." They began their journey by searching for these ingredients. They crossed mountains and rivers, meeting fantastic creatures along the way. With the help of their new friends, they were able to collect the 3 ingredients. They then returned to the color tree and placed the ingredients in the ground around it. The tree began to sparkle with color, and when they were finished, the colors returned to their planet in full splendor. The red was lively again, the blue was calmer, the yellow was starting to feel happy, and the green was calmer again. Celebrate their victory over the problem of dull colors. They returned home and lived happy and colorful, always remembering the importance of working together and friendship in achieving goals. This is the end of our story. Story title: The Brave Rabbit. There once was a little rabbit named Bob. Bob was always brave and bold and loved exploring new places. One day, Bob decided to go on a new adventure. Bob came out of his hole in the woods and started walking, looking for a new place. Not far away, he found a strange door buried in the ground. Bob decided to open the door and see what was behind it. When he opened the door, he found himself in a magical world full of colors and strange creatures. Bob wasn't alone. He was joined by a group of other daring animals. Together they decide to explore this new world. During their adventure, they face great challenges and discover amazing things. They learn the importance of friendship and cooperation. Thanks to their courage, they were able to overcome the difficulties and return to their original world safely. When Bob returned to his burrow, he told his rabbit friends his amazing story. He said, "Don't be afraid to explore the world around us. It is full of surprises and adventures, and if we are brave and honest with ourselves and our friends, we will be able to overcome any challenge." Thus, Bob the rabbit lived a life full of adventures and became an inspiration to all the animals in the forest. This is the end of our story. Story title: The Adventure of an Adventurous Girl. There was a little girl named Layla who lived in a small village. Layla loved adventures and was always seeking to discover new places. Not a day goes by without you inventing a new game or going on an expedition. One day, Layla decided to go on a special trip. She dressed up for adventure and took a small bag full of things she would need for her trip. She left her house early in the morning and started exploring the nearby forest. During her journey, Layla discovered a secret cave. I entered the cave with caution and discovered that it was full of treasures and jewels. She decided to collect some of them and take them back to her village to show her friends. During her trip back to the village, Layla found a baby worm larvae in trouble. I helped the worm and released it among the flowers. As a reward, the worm gave Layla a small magic pill. Layla continued her journey and returned to the village, and her friends discovered the treasures she had collected. But the most important thing she gained during her journey was friendship, love for nature, and helping others. Thus, Layla's story and her adventure ended. This story reminds us of the importance of friendship and adventure and how we can discover the wonders of the world around us even in the smallest things. I hope this story will be enjoyable for children and inspire them to enjoy adventures and discovery.
Hi everyone, in this channel, we provide interesting and easy-to-pronounce stories for learning English, as well as daily conversation between family or friends. I hope you like it and that it helps you learn English. For more of this interesting educational content, please support us with the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all for supporting this educational content.